Hi everyone, how are you guys? Hope everyone doing fine. Today we will continue our tutorial writing simple mathematical model. In the previous video, we used different style of writing mathematical model on Google Colab. Today we will use another style, which is using sigma notation. We will convert the previous model into new model, which has a sigma notation. In sigma notation, we sum product all parameters and variables under this notation. In this sigma model, you can see that the model is condensed, like more simpler, right? Okay, without further ado, let's try to write the new model. First, like usual, we will install Gurobi Pi and import it into Google Colab. Okay, let's wait until it finish, and it finish. First, we need to write additional parameters. The parameters that we are trying to add is parameters n. Right now, parameters n specify the number of variables. As you can see, we have two variables, x1 and x2, so the number of variables we have 2. And then we have a parameters m to specify the number of constraints. We have 4 constraints right now, so we have 4. Then we will prepare the data. The data in the previous video is parameter c, which has 800 and 600, and parameters b, it has 3 to 320, 200, 30 and 20. And then we have parameter a is like a matrix, two-dimensional array. We will write down like this: 3, 5, 4 and 2, 1 and 0, and then 0 and 1. This is the data that we need, right, to run the model. And then we try to write the model. Yeah, first m equal model, and then we can name it like LP or linear programming or whatever name that you like. Then we come to the different writing style. Here we use looping to specify the variables. We will create array variable x and then repeat it n times, or the number of variables. So for the index I in range n, so we repeat n times and then specify xi equal to m at var. Don't forget to specify the fit variable type. It is like continuous. Using this style, x will start not with 1 but start with 0. So we will have x0 and x1. The count is 2, however the index starts with 0, not with 1. Okay. In writing objective function, we also use a new syntax we call quick sum to represent sigma notation. After we define m set objective to represent the objective function, yeah, we have a sigma over here. So if you have a sigma notation, you can specify a quick sum. Yeah, quick sum, and then we straightforward ci multiplied by xi. Ci multiplied by xi. And don't forget, in the end of quick sum, you can see that in sigma we have the iteration. Yeah, so we will type for I in range n, because the sigma start with 0 until n, right? So here we finish to write the objective function using sigma. Don't forget to add m model sense equal to 0 to specify that the problem is a maximization. The next is we will write the constraint. To write the constraint, we will use a sigma in the new model. And then we have for all j equal to 0 and 1. It means that the first two constraints, the notation will be like this. Yeah. Then in order to do that, we will type for j, because the index is j, in range 2, because we will specify the first two constraints, and then we will add the constraint. Okay, we'll add constraint, and then straightforward, because it has a sigma, right? So if we have no sigma notation, just quick sum. Okay, and then quick sum a, j, and I multiply by xi. Okay, don't forget in the end of quick sum or sigma, you have the index I from 0 to n. Yeah, for e in range n, something like this. And then for the inequality, less equal than b, parameter b, and then the index is j. This is how to write down the first two constraints. And then we will move to write the last two constraints here. Actually, we have the same style over here, so just copy it, and then the range will be from 2 until m, right? The m is the number of constraints. Yeah, from this one it will be the same, but the difference is the inequality is greater equal than bj. We will finish writing the constraint, and then we will optimize. Okay, sorry, and then we run it. Okay, there's some error over here. Quick sum. Oh, sorry, it must be like this, not the way I mentioned is different. Something like this. Then just run it, and we have the result. And as you can see, the result is the same with the previous video. I will try to print m objective file. To see the objective function is 48,000. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it can help you. If you feel this video helpful, don't forget to like, make a comment, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.